Welcome back to my YouTube channel, dolls. My name is called Giselle. In today's video, I'm going to be talking all about skincare basics, and on today's segment, it is all about moisturizing, why moisturizing is important, and also me showing you how to moisturize the correct way. So I really hope that you really enjoy this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and also if you haven't watched my previous videos on this segment, I do advise that you guys watch those ones because they're pretty good, because we start from cleansing, we went from toning to using serums, and now we're doing moisturizing. So it'll be really helpful for you guys to sort of start from the top and work your way as well. So I really hope you enjoy the video, and let's get started. So guys, moisturizing, to keep it nice and simple, moisturizing is really important because it nourishes the skin. It helps to protect your skin barrier, and I know a lot of people that do suffer with oily skin sometimes think that moisturizing makes it worse, but actually it's the other way around. The less you moisturize your skin, the more it's prone to actually creating more oils and basically breaking out. So moisturizing sort of helps that because it just sort of mimics the skin oils and just helps for those oils to lessen and not be as much. So it is really important to moisturize. It's just like sort of wearing your bra and your panties. You need to wear that to protect yourselves from things going inside of you. It's basically the same thing with moisturizing. It's just putting that safety blanket on, and also moisturizing just helps with nourishing your skin and making your skin ageless. It helps with anti-aging signs and helps to just keep everything looking nice, young and clean. So guys, let's start off to what moisturizing actually does for the skin. It's quite simple. It nourishes your skin, protects your skin. So guys, let's actually start with what moisturizing does for your skin, because I know that's what everyone is here for. So moisturizing just helps with your skin barrier, protecting it, and also helps to nourish your skin, keeping your skin healthy. It's basically the food for your skin, basically. Just like we can't go without eating and having water, moisturizer basically does the same thing. It just adds the nutrients back that you need, especially after like cleansing, toning, masking, all of these treatments. You're going to need something that's going to protect it and seal everything together so that it can work. Your skin can work the best way that it should do. It's really good as well, especially as we're getting older. Our skin becomes much more drier, a bit more weaker, and we need that suppleness and that nourishment, and moisturizer basically does this. And I know one question that I'm probably going to get asked by people that do suffer from oily skin is, do I need to moisturize even though I've got oily skin? And the answer is yes. You need to moisturize, especially if you've got even oily skin. That's where you need to be moisturizing, because when you don't moisturize and you've got oily skin, what happens is your skin goes into panic mode, and then it starts to create more sebum oils that appear on the skin as oily skin, because your skin is now trying to sort of protect itself because you haven't given it the moisturizer that it needs. So it's really important that you do moisturize. There is moisturizers that you can find on the market that are catered to people with oily skin and people as well with combination skin. There is something for someone out there, especially nowadays. You can find products in the drugstore. You can also get high-end products. There's a lot to offer for everybody's skin type. So please do moisturize, and yeah, that is basically all about moisturizer. For me personally, I use this moisturizer here, which is from Avene, and it looks like that. I hope it's focusing, but basically it is the Hydrating Aqua Gel, and I absolutely love this moisturizer because I'm someone that has combination of oily skin and also dry skin, and it's also a gel based moisturizer, so it's not too thick. Like I've mentioned there is a lot out there to cater to everybody's skin type. I have found this moisturizer to be the uttermost best product to use because I am somebody that suffers from a combination of oily and dry skin, so it sort of gives me what I want, but it also doesn't leave my skin looking too oily or just too overloaded in terms of moisturizing. So yeah guys, that is all the information about moisturizing. Now I'm going to show you a clip of me actually moisturizing and talking to you through that. So I really hope you enjoyed these little tips on why moisturizing is important. So as you guys can see on this clip, I am moisturizing and showing you guys basically the moisturizer that I use, and you can purchase this from Boots. So do check it out. I will link it in the description box below. You can also get it from you can actually get it from the actual company, Avene. It's a French company and they do a lot of lovely luxurious products, but I absolutely love this moisturizer. As you can see, I just use sort of like a pea-sized amount for a moisturizer, then I just sort of work it into my skin. It's important when you are moisturizing to always go upwards into your face, because as we get older, things start to face down a bit more. So it's important to plump up things and get things moving in an upward motion. And then also don't forget your neck and your décolleté, because that is going to also age and people are going to see if you are not taking care of that. So please moisturize your neck, your décolleté, and also your face as well. So I always like to start with face, then work my way down and going in an upward motion. So yeah, that is everything for moisturizer, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye dolls. Mwah.